Odyssey of the Seas balcony room tour. I'm on a project right now with the Odyssey of the Seas. I wanted to do some vlogs, and before I actually start the vlogs, something that I do is I do like a room tour, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along. So smash the thumbs up button if you find anything in this video helpful. Also, I want to show you guys how I set up my room, my workstation, so you can see the computer and all this stuff. And they gave us cookies. Look at this. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they gave us cookies. And we've already eaten 2 of them, and so I'm gonna show you guys how I get all the B-roll and all that stuff, and let's start the show. So team, I know people do closet tours, but check this out. This is closet A, right? It's got your safe and your dressers and like closet to hang your stuff, so that can be Alyssa's, right, by the phone. But closet B, which I think is really unique. All right, so this one is actually for the ladies. I don't know if a lot of guys care, but you know, correct me if I'm wrong, to each their own. This is a pretty large mirror. I mean, it looks like it's not full length, but you can pretty much do your thing. Let's see if the lights work or somewhere. Oh yeah, so that's like a giant ring light, so if you're doing makeup, I don't know. Can you guys see my eyes? Nice and pretty eyes. What do you think? How are we looking? Does it look good? Does it pass the mirror test, ladies, fellas? Let me know. And I know people want to know there is a full-length mirror. So I'm 6'0", 6 flat. There we go. You can see how tall. So you want to get dressed and do your thing there. That should be extremely helpful. And yeah, I don't know what this is. It's like some kind of power door. It came in. It's not accessible for me, but that's cool. So you got mirror A, mirror B. Now, something I didn't touch on is I put a little of my camera equipment in here and our masks, but Alyssa has a bunch of masks ready to go right there. But some cabinet space, hair blow dryer. But there's your mini fridge. We might chill some white wine, but this is where Alyssa puts all her packing cubes. And yeah, she's good to go. She's good to go. Lots of storage for sure. I can hang my stuff and put my camera gear in here. And so it looks like we got some gifts from a special delivery, Royal Caribbean. Oh wow, thank you, Lincoln. Check that out. Shout out to Lincoln. Let's go check out the bathroom. Bathroom looks super nice, super spacious. Yeah, most bathrooms are pretty small, but this one feels pretty large. I don't know, we can do a little shower check real quick. Your boy's gonna hop in the shower. I'm about 212. That's me in the shower. Door closes. It's not that bad. If anyone wants to know, that's me. I'm about 212 pounds. It's not bad. Not bad. Pretty nice. All your standard stuff on the inside. It's very spacious, in my opinion. But yeah. No, flat screen TV. I dig that. That looks nice. I think the remote and stuff's over here. Our station is getting pretty set up over here. I'm actually editing some stuff. Look at that inception there, right? Pretty cool. Right now, the room looks good. I'm impressed with it. We got some goodies. We're gonna go live in a few moments. The bed looks nice. And special shout out to Rose and Wiley Travel Group for setting us up. And girl, congratulations, our travel agent. She won an award for being the best travel agent in her, I think her region or her area or her division or company, something like that. They flew her out to LA. A lot of you guys know that information already, but if you're watching this video later on, you didn't know that information, that is something that she won. So Rose, we're proud of you. And for those watching this video, link is in the description box below. It's rose@wildertravelgroup.com. And so let's continue on with the tour. Let's see what Alyssa's up to. I have a feeling I'll be napping a lot from this couch here. I like that it faces the balcony. That's probably super bright. Let me dim that for you in 3 seconds. Let's see what Alyssa's up to outside. Oh, that's really good. Is it open? Really easy to open. What's up, Boo Bear?
Hi.
I got some B-roll.
You did?
Yeah. So hopefully that works as a room tour. What are you doing?
I'm trying to upload a video, our travel day video to meet the Griffins. It's at 24%.
Oh, nice.
Yep, it says we have an hour and 9 minutes remaining. So,
All right.
It's been a hot minute.
Been a hot minute.
But it is what it is.
It is what it is. This cookie is delicious. I just want to stop and let everybody know that this cookie is fantastic. Omo raisin, long way to go. Alright guys, we got some goodies like Alyssa said, and let me tell you, presentation matters, and look at this. So this is a mini cup. I forget what it's called, but look at that sear.
Mini cup.
Guys, look at that sear. It's like on a pineapple. You want me to dig in?
What is it?
It's seared ahi tuna on top of a pineapple.
Ooh. Oh, it's steak.
I'm gonna taste this one too.
Okay. Oh.
That's good. It might as well be my birthday. So Alyssa's doing some
It's
video
not,
it's Alyssa's birthday. Happy birthday!
This
looks super good.
Oh, here's a question.
I love the balcony. Alright guys, so those are my first impressions of the room. Odyssey the Seas. The balcony room looks good. The balcony's nice. It's wide open. It's spacious. The room is nice and tidy. It's clean. It's got all the elements I need. Lots of charging space. I don't know if I showed you guys, but just look at the amount of charger. We got 1, 2 USB ports. It's pretty nice overall. I'm extremely impressed. Good job, Royal Caribbean. And yeah. Balcony looks nice. So Alyssa's doing some video work out there. Look at the weather, just looks super good.
Oh, here's a question.
I love the balcony. So yeah, this is everything that's pretty much set up. This is the computer that I'll be working from for the next couple of days. Alyssa's still packing and getting set up. Unpacking rather. And so yeah guys, I hope you found something in this video helpful. And if you did find something in the video helpful or insightful for your next cruise vacation or whatever, creating content, smash the thumbs up button. It lets YouTube know that you like cruise content, and that's what we're here to produce for you guys. And as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. If you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. And we'll see you in paradise.
Peace.